Fear is my friend. I love fear. Fear allows me to reach my highest potential. The fear of failing is an illusion.
Yeah.
You got to believe the delusion. Because it's only delusional until it works.
You have to be crazy enough to think that it's possible.
No, you have to hit rock bottom.
The best way to fight the demons that chase you in the night is to stop and turn around. Face them. Man up.
Fear is not going to stop you from doing the thing you really want to do.
Your biggest enemy is you.
Act like the person you want to become. That's not fake it till you make it, by the way.
Perfection doesn't exist.
The brain is the most powerful weapon in the world.
As soon as he said, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems, I think people stopped thinking about goals. And he made a really great argument, which was everybody at the start line of the 100-meter race has the same goal. It's to win.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
See, look, the clock is ticking. The clock never stops ticking. Time don't wait for nobody. So while you sitting here wasting your day away thinking that you deserve tomorrow when you playing with today, that's crazy. Until you realize that you're wasting your life away and that you're not going to be able to get this time back, you're just setting yourself up for failure. And I hope that you can live with that. I can't, though.
Because no one's effing coming to save you. No one's going to make you better at your business. No one is going to get you to be a better persuader of people or framer of people other than you.
No one's coming. No one.
Sometimes things are going to be so tough. Stop fighting it. Stop trying to understand it. Just survive it. Take all that energy and just survive it. Like, bro, day by day, moment by moment, situation by situation. Like my dogs say, be where your feet are. Just survive it, right? And then you're going to get to a place, you're going to be on top of the mountain one day, and you're going to say, man, I see exactly why I had to face and go through that.
And start living like a savage who deserves success, abundance, happiness, security, prosperity, legacy, meaning, fulfillment, significance, purpose.
Your mind is designed to help you get what you want.
When your excuses make you feel a little bit better about the fact that you didn't execute on what you needed to execute on, then they can make you feel better.
You can do whatever the fuck you want to do. Stop making goddamn fucking excuses and just do it. Please take my advice. You have to be willing to do whatever it takes. I'm trying to explain to you, the harder you work at anything in life, the faster you're going to get to your goal, the better you're going to be. It will always be like that in everything we do. Remember that.
I always felt like I could do anything. That's the main thing people are controlled by. Thoughts, their perception of themselves. They're slowed down by their perception of themselves. If you're taught you can't do anything, you won't do anything. I was taught I could do everything.
Love your life, right? You know, find the things that you can enjoy. Be curious.
In life, and dreams do come true. Anything you want can happen and become a reality.
Don't complain. Don't murmur. Don't talk negative. That's average people talk normal. Average people talk problem. The greats talk solutions.
People give up right before they get what they've always wanted to get. People quit and they give up. And I will not be the person who quit.
How do you predict this?
If you can see it here and you have the courage enough to speak it, it will happen.
If your goals aren't powerful, if the vision isn't clear, the old prophet said, without a vision we die, without a vision we perish, without a dream we're nothing. From the movie The Professionals, I listened to Bill Heron give his testimony yesterday. From the movie The Professionals, it said, we joined because we believed. We stayed because we were committed. We left because we were disillusioned. But we came back because we were lost. Without a dream, we are nothing.